Professor RBS. So in the past lecture we have made the graph of parabola. So now we made the graph of the line segment, and we make the parallelogram on the uh, beautiful app, Desmos graphing calculator. So if I make the line from 0 to 3, so we can write this y is equal, let's suppose x. Okay, y is equal to x. So this is line on the uh, in the first quadrant and third quadrant. If I make a line segment, so from 0 to 5, so you can see that, so these are the limits at the value of x. So I can write 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, so up to 3. So this is enough up to 5. Okay, so from 0 to 5, and the value of y, so you write the other bracket the value the range of the y, so it will become, so it is only for x. And if I make the other line segment, y is equal to x, y is equal to x plus 5, so minus 5. Okay, or minus 10. So you can see that from 10 to 15. So if I break this from the x, same 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 15. So here what is the value of uh, so I plus minus 10, so x minus 10. Okay, and up to 15, so 5 to 15 less than or equal to x minus 15, or this is will become 20. uh, this is become 10. So this is also the range of x, but the range of y, it will become into 5. Okay, only 5. So it will become minus x minus 10 up to 5. So it will become up to 15. Minus 10 is right hand side, 15. Clear? So these are the points. Let's suppose I make the points here, uh, other line y equal to 0. Okay, y equal to 0. So this is on the x-axis, and I write the parameters of 0 less than or equal to less x less than or equal to 10. Okay, it is from that line. So this is called the parameters. Okay, the equation of y equal to 0, and same the equation of y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. It will become on the axis at y is equal to 5. So similarly I write parameters x 0 less than or equal to x, same less than or equal to 5. 0 but okay, uh, not 0 but 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 15. Okay, so this is called the parabola. If I draw the points, and this is the 0 comma 0 origin, and I label it the point A. So you can see this is the point A. Okay, and if I write the other point 0 comma 5, but 5 comma 0 and 10 comma 0 comma 0, so you can see this is the second point, label B. Clear? So enter. This is the third point, C. It will become x15 y5, 15 comma 5. Okay, so I labeled this is the point C. Clear? And the fourth point, and 5 comma 5, 5 comma 5, and this is labeled, let's suppose this is a point C. So you can see that this is called the parallelogram. So you can make this on the graph Desmos graphing calculator, and I make the parallelogram on the Desmos graphing calculator. I hope you understand, and inshallah I make the other graph on Desmos in next lecture. So like, share and subscribe this. Thank you.